Hey guys, Max, November 4, Mike Lima Foxtrot here, doing another basically weekly feature showcase for the World Radio League. Uh, Quick status update with the website. You can see people are still using the site, a lot of North American context, but we're getting some users from other sites too, which is always pretty cool to see. If you're a international user of the site, we thank you for signing up, and of course, if you're a domestic user of the site in the U.S., thanks for signing up as well. So last week we ran sort of a test of our contest architecture on the site. We had a lot of people register, 42, for the North American Keystone Party, and we had a good success. We had a lot of people log contacts, a lot for the first time. We streamed it, so if you were at that stream here, this is all the same information. But everything worked as intended, so that's good. You can see a nice little Keystone map. It was the North American Keystone Party, so that's why all the contacts are really restricted to North America. And yeah, it went super well. We also have a new feature that you may have noticed that I'm going to take some time to talk about now, and that's in our leaderboard. We've done a complete overhaul of our leaderboard, and it is now weekly, in addition to being all-time. So if you like the all-time view, you like seeing your name in the top 10 all-time, you can come back here, you can look at this, and it'll show the all-time leaderboard and all the stats you're used to. But some new features we're adding with the leaderboard is longest distance. So this is a cool one. So you can see this guy, Peter Young, currently has the longest distance at 13,000 kilometers. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Doesn't look like it, but we have longest distance, and then the most DX contacts, and which you can say I'm actually number 10 here. And you can check out state and country leaderboards. So for all time, that's great, that's perfect. But what we've also added is a weekly leaderboard as well. So maybe you're not, logging thousands of contacts all the time over the course of months. So maybe you'll never make it to the top 10 or to the top of your state, but you might be able to be the number one for a week. And so that's exactly what we have here. You can see we have a different set of people than we do in the all-time leaderboard, which is always good. And it's the same leaderboard, just for the week. And we save all the weekly leaderboard history as well. So same thing, the same longest distance, same most DX contacts, and then same U.S. state leaderboards. So you can go ahead and find and see, if there might be a leader for your state or territory. So I see there's Matthew, who's the head of Minnesota. And then same thing for country. Let's see. Joe is the head of the U.S. right now, and I think Peter is the head of the U.K. And so yes, this is a nice way to sort of continually, kind of have yourself in a competition to be on these leaderboards. You can go back in time and see previous weeks. So this is last week, the 14th to the 20th, which had some good activity because of the contest. And then you can go in and, I can say, let's see, all these different stats. And yeah, so that's it. So new leaderboard looks pretty good. As always, leave any feedback you have in the about the World Radio League in the comments. We have some other features in the testing and release process right now, so be on the lookout for those. That's all.